Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your UniCredit bank statement online. First, open your web browser on your computer or tablet. Go to the official UniCredit online banking website and log in with your username and password. Make sure you are using the real UniCredit site and not a third party or an untrusted link. Use only the official link provided by your bank when you first signed up. After you log in, look for the main menu on the screen. You will see your accounts listed. Click on the account that you want a statement for. Once you are viewing that account, look for a button or a link called something like Statements, Account Statement, or Documents. On the account details screen, this option will let you request and generate your bank statement. When you click the statement option, you will usually be asked to choose a period. This can be a specific date range or a monthly statement. Pick the period you need. After you have selected the dates, choose the format you want. Most of the time, UniCredit will let you download the statement as a PDF document. Once the statement is ready, you will see a button to download it. Click the download arrow. The file will be saved to your device. Thanks for watching.